Hey babes, and welcome back to Elevated with Zai, the space where we glow, grow, and level up in every way. If you're new here, hi, I'm Zai. Trust me, you're right on time. If only you guys knew how excited I am to do this video with you guys. Unfortunately, this video got pushed back. I was supposed to do this video I say almost about 3 to 4 days ago, but your girl fell ill and I was in the bed and I could not do anything. But as you guys know, in my previous videos, I talked about saving up to buy my dream camera, which was the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, as time went on, my goal hasn't changed. I still want that camera, but I was on TikTok and I kept seeing this camera called the Xtra Muse. For some reason, they just kept advertising it. Every time I'm on TikTok and it's a product I see and it catch my attention, I just see so much advertisement for it. They just know how to reel me in. So the Xtra Muse camera looks identical to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but the difference is it's cheaper. So instead of paying $400, because I seen that the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 was on sale at Costco's, or if you bought the creator kit, you know how most cameras come with either just the camera itself or the full combo kit that comes with the tripod, this extra accessories, that ranges from about, I think, $800 to $1,000. That price just didn't sit right with me, especially because I haven't even had my Sony ZV-F1 for over 5 years. And I put good money into my camera. I think I spent about, I would say $800 because I bought the combo. It came with the tripod, the mic, So, let me get straight to the point. They were selling the Xtra Muse cameras on the TikTok shop for literally $400 flat. And I mean, that sounds like a great deal, don't it? And it was a Black Friday sale. That's actually a Black Friday sale. I don't like no 10% off, no 30. Give me nearly 50 to 100% off on my item, please. Y'all see what my shirt says, right? Do it look like I got $1,000 to be spending on the camera? You know what I mean? Cause it's I could invest that much money into my content, but then what content am I gonna make after that if I only got $3 left? You know what I'm saying? So this brings me to the moment you guys been waiting for. Your girl ordered the Xtra Muse camera from the TikTok shop, and I'm gonna unbox it right here and give you guys a real review, okay? Because I see a bunch of people on TikTok, they wanna know, is this camera worth spending? Should I order this camera or should I just go with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Now, I've done my research on this camera, and when I mean that this camera is exactly identical, it's exactly identical. Now, with my research I've done, the Xtra Muse has nearly the same exact hardware as the Osmo Pocket 3. It's just at a lower price. So let me stop talking and let me unbox this package right here because I've been waiting. This package delivered about a week ago, nearly, and I've been waiting to shoot this video. It's been sitting in a box. I'm fiending. Let's hop right to it. Okay, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, let me know. Do this look like the Osmo Pocket 3 or not? Let me know. It's looking identical to me. So far, so good. This Xtra Muse is the standard bundle, and this bundle comes with the Xtra Muse itself, a carrying case, a threaded handle, a wrist strap, and a USB-C to USB-C PD cable. So let's get her open. I'm so excited, guys. But I'm gonna be real and I'm gonna be honest. If this camera isn't giving quality like how I be seeing on TikTok, I will be sending it back and I will be getting my money back and I will just invest in the Osmo Pocket. But I honestly feel like if it's the same camera nearly, why not get what you want just at a lower price? Why would they have it on this side? What if I was to just open it up like this and everything on the bottom would just fall out? Now it's finally to reveal what's in this bag. I love this. It's so cute. It's an easy flip. Turn it on. You have the button right there. It'll flip. The camera will go the other way. And if you want to turn it off, you just flip it back and it'll turn right off. Can you explain to me why they sent me a camera with no SD card? I don't like that too much. I feel like the SD card should have came with the camera. I'm pretty sure my Sony ZV-F1 came with a SD card. I'm pretty sure it did. I don't even know what type of SD card it takes neither. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this camera and I'm gonna run to Best Buy because I'm not about to order it on Amazon because it's not gonna be here in time. And I want to start shooting content and I want to do a review to show you guys what it looks like. I gotta do all of that. So let's go to Best Buy and get an SD card because it didn't come with one. I just came back. Yeah, so I thought I had one, like a tiny SD card, because I remember seeing those cards. I looked up, but I didn't have one, so I had to run to the store and we got the SD card. To be fair, after I opened this and I read it, it does say a SD card is sold separately, which is dumb to me, but okay. That could have gave me a little 64 gigabytes or whatever. But we're gonna insert the card into here and we're gonna test out the Xtra Muse. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna see what it sounds like without the mic, and then I'm gonna connect my mic to here because it does take a USB-C port, and that's what I use for my camera. So let's see how this goes. The camera is currently recording. So I haven't played around with my settings as of yet, but I know that the camera has a mode where wherever you move, the camera on top will follow you. I gotta learn that. I gotta find that in the settings. I also want to play with the color, do color grading and stuff. So my mic is attached and I can see that on my screen, I can see how my volume is going up and down. So I know the mic is working. If you guys purchase any Bluetooth mics, it will work with this camera. It is compatible as long as it has a USB-C port. If you guys are wondering how many gigabytes of the SD card, I bought 256 and that gives you 14 hours. It also shows that on the top of my screen in the left hand corner. Let's see, I'm gonna turn it this way and I'm gonna see if the camera flips to me. Oh, it did, okay. Nice. I feel like once I play with the camera settings, get the colors I want, it's gonna look good because honestly, I like the way this is looking already. This is definitely a good quality camera for sure. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch back to my Sony ZV-F1 just to give any final comments and just to close out our video. So overall, aside from the camera not coming with an SD card, I think this was a really great purchase. If you don't want to spend too much money, but you want a decent, nice looking quality video, I think you guys should invest in this camera. Do I still want the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Low key. But what's so funny was when I was on my way home, I got a notification from Google and it says the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 with a bigger battery passed the FCC approval. So for my vloggers, my content creators out there, a new Osmo Pocket about to come out. So maybe that's why I couldn't get the 3. But I have a lot to explore with this camera. There's a lot of different settings on here you guys could set. There's a screen that has focus lock, frame lock, spin capture. I guess you could choose between if you want your top of the camera to spin at a 90-degree angle or a 180-degree angle. There's also another screen and you could pick or choose between a video, low light, slow motion, panorama, a photo, or a time lapse. So there's different settings on this camera. So right here, I'm just going through the settings on the Xtra Muse vlog camera. When you tap on the Pro mode, it opens up a whole range of features that really let you customize your footage. You can adjust things like your color tones, exposure, white balance, and all the little details that help you get the perfect look for your videos. I love that they give you so much control because it makes it easier to match the vibe you're going for. whether you're indoors, outside, or switching between different lighting. There are honestly way more features and settings to play around with, but for now, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview so you have an idea of what to expect when you start using your camera. Go and get you one of these. Another reason why I took my investment into this camera is because I was noticing a lot of people that had their DJI, they was having problems with their DJIs. Like their screen just kept spinning down. Like a lot of people with their DJIs, they have it set to where they can record on their screen like this so they don't have any spin problems. I have no evidence of people having this camera having that same problem, so hopefully that's just like a DJI defect. I think TikTok is doing a great job with these items. They are. This was like one of the best electronics I ever bought. Like I still love my Sony ZV-F1, but this right here is on the come up. Because now it will be so much easier for me to make content outside. Not that it's hard, but having this little portable camera is going to make it 10 times easier. A lot of people say that the Osmo Pocket accessories fit on the Xtra Muse. I didn't have any time to order anything, and it wasn't going to be here in time for when I recorded this video, but I will be adding DJI accessories to my Xtra Muse. I'm going to get her a case. There is a magnetic stand that I do want to try out with this. You know, you could put the camera anywhere and you could adjust it. You know what I'm saying? Cooking videos is gonna come in. It's gonna come in handy for my cooking videos right here. You know, I'm gonna have it at the top of the stove. It's gonna be recording. Like sometimes it's not that it's hard to record certain videos. It's just hard for my camera to fit in certain places. But a small camera like this and a wall mount, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to link this camera down below in my description so you guys could click on it, check it out, do some research, you know, and let me know down below in the comments if you think this was a great purchase. I would rate this by a 8.5. I give this TikTok item an 8.5. I gotta start rating my TikTok items. Like I said, the only thing I didn't like was it not coming with a SD card. Other than that, I got a case, I got a charger, I got everything I need to start shooting my content. So on that note, I'm going to sit, study my camera, get my colors and stuff right, play with the settings a little bit, and with that being said, the next video, you guys will be seeing me use this camera. So as I always say, keep your standards high and your vibes even higher. Don't just dream it, elevate it, okay? You were made to shine and level up, so don't forget it. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.